Every year, companies waste billions on unnecessary cloud resources. The average business overspends by 30 to 40% on Google Cloud Platform alone. The problem? Traditional cost management tools are either too complex, too expensive, or too reactive. Meet CloudCost Guard, your AI-powered cost optimization team. We built a solution that makes enterprise-grade cost management accessible to everyone, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. Simply paste your GCP billing data and watch our Google Gemini AI go to work. In seconds, it identifies specific waste patterns and calculates exact savings opportunities. But we don't just identify problems, we provide specific, actionable recommendations. Right-size these over-provisioned VMS, move cold data to archive storage, delete unused IP addresses. Each recommendation comes with exact savings calculations. Set your budget and customize alert thresholds. Our real-time monitoring ensures you never get surprised by a massive bill again. Built entirely on Google's ecosystem, React front-end, Gemini AI integration, and deployed as multiple services on Google Cloud Run. This is production-ready, scalable architecture. Fully responsive design means you can manage costs from anywhere. Get alerts and make decisions on the go. Stop wasting money on cloud resources you don't need. Try CloudCost Guard today and transform your GCP spending from a cost center into a competitive advantage.